Alright guys, I know some of you may have been curious. Why did I create this martial arts? The reason is simple. You see, here in Philippines, the number of cursed spirit and chimera ants are increasing. One of them are named Taiga. The reason for this is there's a girl named Sam Angela who's collecting the chimera ants and cursed spirits. You know. So yeah, there's a girl known as what's the name? Sam Angela, which is collecting chimera ants and cursed spirits. So in order to defend Philippines, I created this breathing form. So yeah, that is the reason why I created this martial arts in order to to defend against the 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 cursed spirits and chimera ants.